Hey, what's up, guys? This is a two-sided cutting board that I have here. One side is titanium and the other side is wheatgrass PP or polypropylene. The titanium side is good for cutting like meats and acidic type vegetables or fruits on it. And the other side is good for pretty much everything else. One thing that I really like about this cutting board is that it has a high quality food grade silicone that everything is molded into together. It's really lightweight, so despite being titanium, which is typically heavy, it just has a thin piece that's molded in here, which makes it light. And then on the wheatgrass PP side, you have this garlic grater or shredder built into it. It has a nice handle, molded or built right into it, so that's nice and convenient if you want to hang it on your walls. One thing I'll say is that I used some of the ceramic knives from this company on this board. You will get some scratches in the titanium side. From my understanding and everything, it doesn't really affect the performance, but you know, it's a cutting board. You're bound to get some scratches and stuff in it. The other side, the plastic, also same thing. I used it to cut some stuff. It does have some scratches. You can't see them like you can on the metal side. But again, it doesn't affect anything. But the board itself does feel really sturdy. It does feel high quality. I put it in the dishwasher and didn't have any problems there. It has these little feet on the silicone to help keep it from sliding. It does still slide a little bit, but they work pretty good. And then you'll notice too on the plastic side, it does have like this little drip ring. So for any type of like food, juice, overflow stuff, it will go down into that ring. The metal side doesn't have that same thing. So it will kind of just pull on here. So just know that it's built that way. But overall, I mean, I think it's a really good price for a cutting board. It feels like it's going to hold up for a while. Feels solid and durable. So yeah, it's a pretty nice cutting board, and I'm happy to have it.